You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is b equal or smaller than -5. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all b terms on the left side of the inequality. Add 10b to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the b into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is b equal or smaller than -5.